Here's something surprising. Every month, around 50,000 people in the UK Google the phrase, "Is my car insured?" Believe it or not, a lot of people forget whether they're insured and who they're insured with. This is pretty worrying because it's illegal to drive uninsured, and doing so could give you an unlimited fine. The good news is it's quick and easy to find the answers to these questions so that you can get insured and get on the road again. First things first, what is the Motor Insurance Database? The Motor Insurance Database, known as the MID, is a central record of all the insured vehicles in the UK. The police and the DVLA use it to identify uninsured vehicles and enforce laws around motor insurance. When you buy car insurance, the insurance company has to send a record of this to the MID. So if you're insured, you should be on the database. You can use the MID search tool called AskMID to find out your details. So how do you use AskMID? It's really easy and free. You just go to askmid.com and enter your car's number plate. A second or two later, the site will confirm whether or not you're insured. Be careful though, you can only check details for your car. It's an offence to obtain information about another car, so don't let curiosity get the better of you. By the way, your insurance may still be legal even if it hasn't appeared on the database yet. This can sometimes happen with temporary insurance, like the sort offered by Cover, because it just starts so quickly. If you ever need to prove you're insured, all you need are your policy documents. These are sent to your phone once your cover starts, so there's nothing to worry about. If you have annual or longer term insurance and it's still not showing up on the database, it would be best to contact your insurer to see why. But what about finding out which insurer you're with? AskMID will tell you whether you're insured, but if you need to know who you're insured with, you'll need to take another step. You can do this by filling out a Data Subject Access request and sending it to the Motor Insurance Bureau, known as the MIB. This will cost you £4. A cheaper and quicker way to find out who your insurer is to go through your emails and bank statements. You should have a record of the policy somewhere, like a confirmation email from when you bought it. When you search through bank transactions, make sure to look out for any companies that seem unfamiliar. Some insurance companies are owned by a larger umbrella company, so the payments may not be going to the brand name that you'd expect. Finally, here's what to do if you're uninsured. Well, you have two options. Number one, get insured as soon as possible. It is illegal to drive a car without at least third-party cover. This is because you need to have the basic level of cover in place in case you have an accident. Cover's car insurance expert Alan Wright says, the consequences of uninsured driving can extend well beyond a fine and points on your license. The police may seize or destroy the vehicle even if it's not yours. Your future premiums will increase, and if the MIB have to compensate someone who is injured as a result of your actions, they are legally entitled to recover the costs from you. Put simply, uninsured driving just isn't worth the risk. Well, you don't need to tell me twice, Alan. The second option, however, is to sawn your car. Sawning your car means you declare it as being off-road. Once your car's been sawned, it is illegal to have it on a public road, even if it's parked. You'll need to keep it on private property 100% of the time. Find out more by following the link in the description.